If you are not in control of your mind, someone else is. And no, I am not being dramatic. Every day, your thoughts are influenced by the media, social platforms, or even people you may love. The question is, are you the one choosing what to think? Or are you being programmed without even realizing it? Mental sovereignty means owning your own inner world, your mind. It means deciding what thoughts to keep, what beliefs to hold, and how to respond to life. Without it, your mind becomes a playground for fear, doubt, and distraction, often fed to you by others who do not have your best interests in mind. A sovereign mind is disciplined, calm, and intentional. It doesn't get pulled in every direction, it leads. And that's where real power begins. Every day, you're bombarded with inputs. News designed to stir fear, ads that prey on insecurities, even well-meaning friends projecting their doubts and negativity. If you're not aware, your mind becomes theirs. That's why this isn't just about mindset. It's about freedom. When you reclaim your mind, you stop reacting to life and start creating it. You become the architect of your experience instead of a passive participant in someone else's agenda. Here's what mental sovereignty actually gives you. You navigate life with purpose. You make choices based on your values, not social pressures or fleeting emotions. Every decision becomes aligned with your future, not your fear. You resist external manipulation. From fear-based news to manipulative ads, you start seeing through the noise and stay in control of what gets your attention. You foster emotional resilience. Instead of being ruled by frustration and fear, you can process emotions with clarity and calm. You build inner strength. You start trusting yourself. When challenges hit, you respond with strength and grace rather than reactivity. You create a positive mental environment. You filter out the negativity. You create a mindset that fosters growth, peace, and focus. This isn't fluff. This is mental freedom, and it improves everything. Here's a simple but powerful tool to help you reclaim your mind today. Affirmations for mental sovereignty. Say them out loud, write them down, repeat them often, because repetition is how we reprogram. I am the master of my mind, and I direct my thoughts with purpose and intention. My mind is a fortress, immune to external manipulation. I think freely and make authentic choices that align with my truth. My thoughts are my own, and I guard them with awareness and care. I release the need for external approval and trust my inner wisdom. I create mental boundaries that protect my focus and energy. My mental sovereignty empowers me to live a life of freedom and fulfillment. Use these daily. Seriously. Repetition programs your mental habits. And the more you affirm your control, the stronger your mind becomes. This is just one section of what I dive into in the Human User Manual. If you feel like your mind has been running the show without you, if you're tired of being reactive, anxious, and easily thrown off course, this book gives you the tools you need to take back control. You'll learn how to quiet the noise, reprogram your thoughts, protect your energy, and align with your highest self. The truth is, your mind is your most powerful asset, but only if it belongs to you. Take it back, train it, guard it, and use it to build the life you actually want, not the one others try to impose on you. If this message speaks to you, grab your copy of the Human User Manual. Your mind is your most powerful tool. Learn how to use it.